absolutely lying, right? Well, get up to speed, let's go!
You can be suit fly, you can be pajama fly. You really fly like that.
What the fuck are you turning? There's nowhere to turn! What an idiot. What are you doing?
Infidelity can be cheating, beating. If you get to the G, they be the same thing. When you place the blame on, keep on singing.
Why? You're in a fucking bus lane!
Be on lithium though.
This is a song that there's a lot of Christmas songs out there, and
It's just these people are just so
not
fucking
too many
retarded.
Hanukkah songs.
No way you're coming to turn left here. Really?
Yeah.
I've hardly looked at it. I saw about a guy getting shot the other day, but...
Yeah, by a 13-year-old kid.
Oh, don't turn right. No, jeez.
Head.
Recorded in New Orleans in 1961 and marked an exuberant up-tempo departure from the slide guitar magic. First issued as a 45 on Bobby Robinson's Fire label.
Are you kidding me? This guy's clueless. I mean, where do these people come up with this stuff? How do you do a 360 turn in the middle of this intersection? Quit fucking around. What an idiot. Where are you going? Oh, I don't understand why people keep turning from this lane.
Comes up to me without his mask on, says to me,
Oh, where are you going?
"Do you speak English?" And I was already kind of roughed up, so I got quite defensive, and I said, "Well, what makes you think I don't speak English?" And then he started to,
Oh my god. Shit, I'm retarded. I don't understand how you cut off the only car on the road.
left after 1 mile.
The fuck are you?
Shrimp. What you call me? Shrimp. You don't wear continental clothes or Stetson.
Cooper every time they were getting dressed, and it turned into a book, and there's a digital download of the actual song Time to Get Dressed, sung by Neil, which is very cool. Good stocking stuffer right there.
What? That's why you don't drive your Camaro in these towns. Oh, they're still in there. So, thanks. Oh, you're turning left.
Continue straight for
Opposite
6
direction.
minutes to Maryland
You know.
480.
Push your mouth, silence when I spit it out.
God damn. That's why you don't run red lights. Not really sure what you're doing.
Worked there. Scott brought me on to WNEW-FM in 1977, very end of that year. And I learned quickly that when certain guests came in, Scott prepared.
Get off the road! You need to be on the shoulder! You cannot be going 25.
Tell them break good day.
It's not even close, dude. Let's go. Don't go just as I'm here.